Hi guys, today I will show you the unboxing of this Bosch spark plug. So the code is FR7LCX plus. It's also known as 79015-4. -4 meaning 4 pieces in the pack. Okay, so I'll just open this now. So I'll just show you one. So there are 4 pieces inside. So this one is tape here. So just open from this side. About the box, there's some information on how to install this spark plug. Okay, just remove this thing. Yep. Oh, you can see there's a paper protection. Okay, looks really good. So this one is a resistor type, and the depth I think is 19 millimeters, then 1.1 millimeter gap. I will be using this one on my 2007 Honda CRV. Then it's normally using NGK spark plugs, ZFR6F11, but this time we'll try the Bosch spark plug. Okay, that's it. Again, thank you for watching.